Yup. But something like this just gets my heart palpitating. Something clear and clean. This is my workbench. I cleared it off today. Um, I also bought over the weekend. I bought some more paint. There we go, just in case, and for touch-ups and some other stuff. Good tip from a dude, and something I just probably should do anyway. I had intended on mixing up a batch in this, and then using that to pour out as I needed more, but then I kind of thought better of it because this is plastic, and even though this is water-based paint, there's still solvents in it, so I didn't want to dissolve any of this and really fuck up my paint. So I've got a gallon jug's worth of an empty, I'll show it to you, this, nice and cleared out, and I'll be using this, minus the acetone of course, to mix up a pretty good batch of paint so I can have a consistent color. And as the saying goes, necessity is the mother of all invention. So I got a fat mama. I have a lack of space in my garage when it comes to painting, so I'm going to be able to do the body. I'll prep the hell out of this thing, take the plastic off and etc. I'll probably do it tonight and paint tomorrow. And then I had to figure out what I would do with all of the fenders and the hood and the trunk lid and yada yada yada, so that I had all the same batch of paint. I didn't want to move my frame and engine outside. Definitely, I mean, it's not a bad neighborhood, but you know, it's looking to snow, maybe it'll rain, I don't know, and I didn't want to just leave that outside. So I've come up with this. So what you're looking at is 4 2x4x8s. They are pinned together with about, what, 1.5 feet, 2 feet of overlap, something like that. Yeah, 2 feet. And this did duty on my my body tub when I was moving around and I did something, you know, temporary. So there it is. So I have a lot of body panels to get ready, and I need to tape up the door so I don't inadvertently paint those suckers in areas that haven't already been painted, i.e. here. You can see that I need to maybe sand down some of this blue. That's not going to be all 5 minutes. But I don't have room for my Sebring valences. Valenci? So I'll need to do those sometime later. And I'll probably do the plinths, the rear taillight plinths. Maybe one on each side there, we'll see. But I'm crowded, as you can see. Your best bet is always to put these things on the car as you paint them. If you're able to remove the fenders on a car, most of them are unibody these days. I don't have that luxury, and I didn't necessarily want to go down that road. Coverage and everything else, so there we go. I also don't want to do the body one day and then everything else the next day, because I'm worried about a color mismatch. I've done that before on a Fiat actually, since fixed it, but it was painful. I don't know if I mixed it or just whatever, but yeah, long story short, I want to be consistent with the color. And here we go with the large rear front fenders. As you can see, I've got some things to dust off. I'll spend another hour or so doing that tonight before I go to bed. Yeah. Is that? No, it's okay. I've got to take care of that too. Shit. Yeah. But I've given myself enough room to walk around here and get the fronts. And the fronts, I'll need to be careful of this though. How I do it, that is. I'm going to uncoil a ton of my hose and probably string it over to that hook there up in the ceiling, so that I've got a ton of it out of the way and coiled up also out of the way. I have mopped my floor I swept it out about 4 times and got an enormous amount of dried paint, frankly. I then swept the walls. Well, I swept the walls first, and then I swept the floor. Then I mopped the floor. You can kind of see that. It's all dried up now. I'll probably spray some water down on the floor before I paint, maybe. Yeah, I've got access to everything. Yeah, it's time to do it. I have literally been dreaming about this moment and getting her done, as it were, for a long time now. So, really looking forward to finally doing it. I'll pull my body out by 2-3 feet there, get it out of the way of the wall. So I've got complete unfettered access to that thing. And there we go. So next step, sweeping off, wiping down, cleaning up everything, especially the doors. Oh yeah, and I found a run. Pretty good one too, so I'll have to fix that. It's pretty significant. Not there, but here. So what I'll do is just sand that down. Maybe we could do it tonight too. Yeah, and re-clear it, or just sand it down to enough where I can just buff it out. It's not too awfully tough. How's that feel? That looks okay. Yeah. So there we go. Lots more prep work to do tonight. I got stuff to do tomorrow up until about noon, and then I'll probably get into this by about noon. Yeah. Let's see what the temperature is right now. Temperature outside is hovering in the 40s. And we're looking at just above 55, 57. Yeah, not bad. Yep. I'm rather excited. Well, I'm ready. All I gotta do is mix paint tomorrow and start applying. I have washed off. I have sanded down areas. I have. Oh yeah, I gotta get doors. I'm gonna put plaster on the edges that I've painted. That'll take 10 minutes, if that. It's been maybe 2 hours, I think, since I made my last little clip here. I have rediscovered my Milli Vanilli collection on my iPod. I'm so pleased, as well as Ace of Base. Ace of Base, and I go way back. So just tickle freaking pink. Yeah, it's all ready. So what I'll do tomorrow with a new tac-cloth, I will tac-cloth everything, literally everything, before I sand it, before I paint it. And I'm looking for little bits of lint and junk and dust and anything else that might mar the paint job. I'm banking on a good substrate here to put paint onto, and I'm guessing that I've done a good job. I think I've done a good job. I've done a thorough job, if nothing else. And I'll do that to every piece and panel that I've got. Yeah. I've decided not to do my Sebring valences, which are all that plastic, and my tail light plinths, at least for now. I'll have to catch those up later. Like I say, all I do is mix paint and get her done. Get her done, rather. Yep, pretty excited.